So maybe you're looking to make your content more engaging, and you can do that with just a little bit of editing. As we know, movement is life. And a lot of content creators out there doesn't have another videographer to take videos for them. There's so many vlogs out there that I see that have very interesting topics, but their content would feel that much more engaging if they just added some post-editing to bake in some camera movements. Now, since the beginning of this video, I've been doing that, going from a very close-up to a little bit further away, back to a close-up, kind of bring you into my environment a little. And even like right now, as I'm talking, this is a very slow zoom in to just bring you in to the content itself. Now, this is easy to do on any editing software. I'm gonna edit it on Premiere though. And I'll try and teach you that with just a few minutes of editing, you can make your static, boring camera shots 10 times more engaging. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw that talking head clip that you saw at the beginning of this video right into Premiere. We're gonna go over 2 very easy post-edit camera movement tricks. The first is simply clipping a zoom when you're changing topics or your tone of voice might change a little. Firstly, you're gonna wanna listen to your clip. Now, this is gonna take a little bit of finesse, but you're gonna basically try and feel out when you think a camera movement should be baked in. So let's go ahead and listen to this clip right here. As we know, movement is life. And a lot of content creators out there doesn't have another videographer to take videos for them. So as you can see, I kind of changed my tone of voice, and we can use that difference to bake in a quick camera cut to zoom in just a little bit. It doesn't have to be crazy. It could be 10, 15, 20%. Keep it there for a little bit and then move it back out to the wide shot you had before. The next zoom we're gonna go over is a slow zoom in. Now, you're gonna wanna try and put this in a long segment, otherwise it's just not gonna look that good. And you also don't have to be extremely aggressive with how far you zoom in. Just a little bit goes a long, long way. So to do that, find what segment you want to do, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn on keyframes for this. I'll set my first keyframe at the beginning of the clip at the max wideness, and then I'll go to the very end of the clip and try and pick a zoom that works best for this clip. Sometimes I'm only increasing it anywhere between 1 and 5%. Again, it doesn't have to be that drastic of a zoom. Just the simple movement of it zooming in on your face slightly is gonna bring your audience in and make your content feel that much more engaging. All right, so that really is the 2 tips I have for you guys to help make your content more engaging. So when you're making your next YouTube video, TikTok, Instagram reel, anything like that, just try adding 1 or 2 cuts in. And I'm extremely confident that you'll start seeing an increase in viewer retention, getting that much needed watch time, and that average percentage viewed that the algorithm just loves.